Hi friends, today we'll see how to do the running trick in Premiere Pro. I saw in one ad Virat Kohli doing it and I thought I'll make a tutorial on it. First drag the video to your timeline. Go to the part where you start running until you run at the end. Trim the rest of the stuff. So now you have only the running footage here. So before you start doing anything, make sure you slow down this video. So to do that, right click, go to speed or duration, reduce it by 50%. Now you will see running in slow motion. I'll delete the audio, it's no longer helpful. Okay, once you have done the slow motion, identify a place where the still image looks good. This is okay. Make sure to shoot it in a bright place where you are clearly visible. This video is not that good enough. Okay, once you have identified the place, use the razor tool to cut it. Use the arrow key to move one frame and do a cut again. So you have one frame hold here. Now go back to the selection tool, tap on it, and now you will have to mask this object out. You don't have to be too thorough as this mask object will not be moving. Use this mask tool, go to 200%, go to the place, start selecting the object. Now once this is selected, make a copy of this. To do that, hold the Alt key and press and drag above. The pointer should change to this. Now right click on this and select add frame hold. So this will make it as an image and you can drag it. So if you drag, it will not extend the video, extend the image. Now you have to drag it till the beginning. And go back to your single frame here and remove the mask. We no longer need this mask. To go back to fit, go back to the beginning of the clip. Now if you play the clip, it will appear just the way we want it. Now you can do the same at different position. This was one position, you can add another one here. You can add one more here, another one here, and you can create as many layers as you want. By default it will have 3 layers. You can right click, add track, and create another layer. Let me create one more. I'll create one more here. Use the blade tool, make a cut, go one frame to the right by pressing the arrow, make another cut, go to beginning of this, go back to selection tool, use the mask tool, go to 400 or 200%. Make sure you go to the second still and not the first. Create a mask again. Hold the Alt, make a copy 2 layers above because this layer is already occupied. Right click, make sure you right click in empty place, else you get this option. Add frame hold and drag it till the beginning. And also go back to this frame here and delete the mask. Now if you go back to fit, go to the beginning, you'll see 2 images. And if you play, you can add any number of frames here and make it look even better. You can get creative with this. You can make it look as if he leaves the trails of still images behind when he's running. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in another video soon. Till then, have a nice time.